Did you know boxers achieve better muscle symmetry than most other athletes? Let me show you their secret to balanced muscle development while losing weight. Boxing naturally engages both sides of your body equally, forcing your muscles to develop symmetrically through constant jabs, crosses, and defensive movements. This full-body workout activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously, from your shoulders to your calves, while burning up to 800 calories per hour. However, maintaining muscle while cutting weight requires smart supplementation. To support muscle repair during caloric restriction, successful boxers rely on strategic nutrient timing. They consume 1.62 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, split across 4 to 6 meals daily. Essential amino acids, particularly BCAAs, become crucial during pre- and post-workout windows to prevent muscle breakdown while maintaining a caloric deficit. Want to know the exact supplement timing protocol professional boxers use? Drop a comment below and I'll share their complete strategy.